What's up guys? This is Jomie Hospital, that's JOMIE, and last month I filmed a video before I went to Manila. Kaso di ko siya na-edit kasi nga na-busy sa Manila and all. But guys, this is something that I really would like to do in this channel as well, especially now that I have Tagalog viewers and I have Tagalog friends. That's basically the reason why I'm speaking English right now. It's because I wanna pursue this Bisaya 101, and this is just the first video. I'm gonna show it to you right now, but excuse my haircut at that time. Okay guys, let's get to the chase. Welcome to the first Bisaya 101 episode. What's up guys, this is Jomie Hospital, that's JOMIE, and if you're a non-Bisaya speaking citizen, this video is for you. For this video, I am going to speak in English because I want to educate. It would be totally useless if I speak in Bisaya, right? How else would the non-Bisaya speaking community understand me if I'm going to speak in Bisaya? And I'm not good in Tagalog. If I speak in Tagalog, Once again, words stutter. The inspiration behind this video is my channel manager from Manila, because when I asked her what Bisaya words does she know, I was shocked when she said, "Look. I mean, in Bisaya, that's master." Come on, guys! We can do better than that. What makes Bisaya simple, though, is the way the words are spelled, is the way that the words are pronounced. However, like any other rule, there are exceptions. Take, for example, the word Bisaya. We don't pronounce it as by, as in biannual, or say, as in say, and then the ya as just ya. We pronounce it as Bisaya. We don't say Bisaya, we pronounce it as Bisaya. The ya on the end has a stress, like ya. Knowing these easy rules, whether you're just asking for directions or just saying a simple hello, here are some of the useful Bisaya words and phrases that could help you get around. You're welcome in advance! Number 1, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. The literal translation for good is maayo, and then morning is buntag, afternoon is hapon, and evening is gabi. The literal translation for any other greeting is maayo na buntag, but there is a contraction in maayo and na, so it becomes maayong plus the word. So maayong buntag, maayong hapon, maayong udto, like that's good noon, and then maayong gabi. Number 2, hello, how are you? The standard Bisaya greeting for hello, how are you is kumusta naman ka. It's pretty much the same with the Tagalog kamusta ka naman, but we don't say it as kamusta. We pronounce it as kumusta, and then we interchange the naman ka at the end with the Bisaya accent. Number 3, I'm good. And you? The response to a greeting is maayo man ko, ikaw. Because like I said, maayo in Bisaya means good. If you're a native English speaker, you might find pronouncing maayo difficult because you're not used to seeing the double A's in your language, right? But if you're going to answer the question, kumusta naman ka, you're going to answer it this way, maayo man ko. And then going to ask back, ikaw. Number 4, what's your name? What in Bisaya is unsa, your is imong, and the name is pangalan. So that's just unsay mong pangalan. Number 5, when someone asks for your name, you respond by saying ako si, then followed by your name. That's just easy because it's the same in the Tagalog one. So like, unsay mong pangalan? Ako si Jomie. Number 6, please and thank you. These etiquette words translate directly to palihog, which means please, and salamat, which means thank you. Number 7, I have something to ask you. So if you want to ask someone about something, you just say, na ako'y pangutanan nimo. I repeat, that's na ako'y pangutanan nimo. Number 8, I believe this is very helpful. Where is the, then followed by the place. So in Bisaya, we usually ask the people around, especially for directions, asa dapit ang, then the place. So like, asa dapit ang City Plaza, asa dapit ang hospital, asa dapit ang Pag-ibig Foundation. Number 9, goodbye, or any other parting phrases. This is really funny because I was just asking my mom about this one because I was like researching this and I come across the word manamilit sa ko, and I've never heard that ever since. So I asked my mom about it and she said that it's basically the same with mananghid sa ko. So like when you say goodbye to someone, you just tell your friends, manamilit sa ko sa mga tiguang. So that's like, I need to ask permission to the elderly that we are going. Or you could just say, hangtod sa sunod, which means, till next time, ayo-ayo! or amping, which means take care, or magkita lang tapuhod, which means see you soon. And last but not the least, I know Bisaya, but just a little. The literal translation for that one would be, kabalo ko magbisaya. Pero gamay lang. Just kidding with the pronunciation. It's like, pero gamay lang. Pero gamay lang. Because gamay means small. Like, gamay manggag Oops, rewind! But no censor this time! You have a very dirty and imaginative mind. Gamay manggag ulo. Gamay manggag ulo. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I actually intended to reshoot it, but medyo baka kinakapoy na ako. Kapoy means tamad. What's kapoy? Pagod. Kapoy means pagod. That's just my reason because I'm tamad most of the time. But that's it guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. For my Bisaya subscribers, what other Bisaya content do you want me to teach our Tagalog subscribers? And Tagalog subscribers, what other Bisaya topics do you want me to talk about so that you can learn it if ever you'll come here in Mindanao or Visayas? I'm sure it's gonna be really helpful. You're welcome in advance. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. As always, thank you for watching. This is JOMIE without saying no regrets, just love. Bisaya, walay mahayay, kung malangbay.